Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set a live wallpaper on your iPhone. So now there might be some apps that can do the live wallpaper feature. Basically, they convert the videos that exist on your gallery into a live wallpaper, but you can just do it straight from your TikTok app. So I'm gonna show you just that. Now open up your TikTok real quick, and now you can press on the plus button. Now either you can create your own TikTok, or you could just upload a video. So allow access to all videos, and let's suppose it's gonna be, let's go to videos and let's select this. Okay, now once you've selected this, all you need to do is you need to post it, and you need to make sure that it's checked to only me so that no one else can see this video. So once it's done, you can press post.
Oh, you're gonna miss me when
Then you're gonna go to your profile, and now you're gonna click here, press on the three dots, and then you just point to the right side, and you're gonna press live photo. Once it's done, we're gonna go to our settings, and we're gonna go to our settings, and then we're gonna go for wallpaper search, and then we're gonna change a wallpaper to this live photo. Right now you see it says live photo on, and if I hold it, I tap on the screen, I can see it's working just fine, and I can press on set, and I can set it as my lock screen. So that is pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Right now it's not working on the home screen, but it will definitely work on the lock screen. But if I lock my screen, my recording will stop and it would fail the video. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.